Well, as part of our special investigative series, Patient No More, over the past 2 weeks, you have heard from more than a dozen patients voicing their frustrations after being denied health insurance coverage. You've also heard from Florida doctors breaking their silence, telling us that they are fed up with insurance companies overruling their own treatment plans. So we wanted to know, what are the health insurance companies saying in response to this outcry? I went out to get that side of the story to find out, are these insurers listening to you? As we've investigated health insurance denials, you have heard the anger.
The insurance companies have all the power.
Felt the frustrations.
There were times I felt like I would be better off dead instead of trying to fight.
Witnessed the tears.
You can't appreciate what it feels like to be in this situation until you are, right?
Doctors told us they want answers, but they're also willing to listen to health insurance companies.
I don't want to treat them like they're the bad guy. I want them to be at the table. I want them to work with us.
And my assignment was to give them a seat at the table to get their side. I emailed the top 10 major health insurance companies and dozens of their lobbyists. Not a single one would go on record. One lobbyist group declined an interview due to, quote, political ramifications. Cigna, Elevance Health, which includes Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and CVS Health, which represents Aetna Insurance, all declined to comment. Instead, all three referred us to their national lobbying group, the Association of Health Insurance Plans.
Hey there, it's Nadine with ABC Action News.
Which also declined an interview. Instead, sent us just a brief statement. In the fragmented and heavily regulated healthcare system, health plans, providers, and drug makers share a responsibility to make high-quality care as affordable as possible and easier to navigate for the people we collectively serve.
Healthcare works for a lot of people in America, but for too many, it doesn't work.
Cigna Healthcare's Media Relations Department pointed us to this video posted online.
We recognize that the way we will get trust back is not through our words. It's not even through our actions. It's through the results that people will see.
Still not answering the questions we have. And in the pursuit to get the side of these health insurance carriers, I was met with a sentiment that the media is inflaming the stories that you are hearing, that doctors are performing unnecessary medical treatments and hospitals are jacking up prices. But none of these carriers would say any of this on the record. The outcry here is loud. Instead, I was met with silence.
Hello, my name is Al Marino. I am a licensed insurance agent.
After dozens of calls and emails, the only person who would speak to me is Florida health insurance agent Al Marino. He sells health insurance. He has no say whether medical treatment is approved or denied.
Al, do you think these health insurance companies hear the outrage?
I definitely believe they do. I mean, how could you not? This is a major thing that happened, that somebody could just be executed on the street like that. And, you know, that rocked everybody. The health plans are, you know, they're not running and hiding. They're definitely out there to talk to the members.
You say they're not hiding, but they're not speaking to us.
I have no idea, really. I don't. All I know is that this definitely rocked them.
How does the healthcare industry as a whole move forward after this?
I think companies are definitely looking at, you know, addressing, we're getting to the point where they're taking care of the customer before the customer is actually at that frustrated level.
And our coverage does not end here. If any health insurance company or their lobbyist wants to answer any of our questions, the offer to do an interview still stands. You can email me at nadine.yanis@wfts.com. We have that email address up for you right now on your screen.